Bimar me is back. My cold has really aggravated and I'm on heavy antibiotics, but we are supposed to do our day 5. So I'm back with 21 days to good skin, and today's ingredient is going to make you cry. No extra marks for guessing because it's our dear old Pyaz. This onion is antiseptic, antibacterial. It is excellent for your acne prone skin. It works on fine lines and brightens your skin tone. Let's get started. So to begin this pack, we take a medium sized onion, we peel it and keep it under water so that it doesn't burn your eye. Grate it, take out the juice and mix it to 2 tablespoons of curd. I have grated the onion very finely and then I have strained the juice in another bowl. These are approximately 2 teaspoons. What I've done additionally is I've strained the water of the yogurt. Now we will add this juice to the yogurt for a fine paste. So yes, day 5 is done. I know a lot of you will find onion crazy, but honestly it was the first 2-3 seconds where I felt the eyes burning. After that it was all fine. Just make sure you don't go very close to the eyes, and I think that's the reason I find a lot of